Hi, welcome back to the lesson. This is part 3 for your chapter 2. So in the previous exercise, you have learned how to record the journal entry. And now, we want to discuss how to distinguish the capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. You may face a dilemma to identify whether buying an item shall consider as purchase or asset of the company. You may face this problem. How to identify whether this item considered as a purchase, which is recorded in your income statement, or this item should consider as an asset for your S or FP item. So you can use the following chart to solve your question. So when you buy something, right, you check this is for resale purposes or this has been used in the production. If the answer is yes, then you should recognize as a purchase because this is revenue expenditure. However, if you buy something is for using in the business operation and this item is likely to use for long term, so this will be treated as capital expenditure and this item is an asset of the company. And I hope this table is easy for you to identify whether you shall classify this item as a purchase under revenue expenditure or treated as an asset under capital expenditure. So we have go through the journey of the accounting. Let's have a look again. So we have learned how to identify the transaction and event, and based on the transaction event, we know how to convert into the language in accounting. The accounting language we call journal entry, debit and credit. And next, we have to post the journal entry into the general ledger. So let's take a look. Prepare of general ledger. So after you record the journal entry, the next that you should do is post the journal entry into general ledger. So what is general ledger? General ledger is a company set of numbers account for its accounting record. General ledger is used to record the financial transaction and events of the company. So the information is general ledger will be used to prepare the financial statement of the company. General ledger is presented by using the T account format, whereby the left hand side is called as debit and the right hand side is called as credit. The name of the general ledger will be indicated in the middle of T account. So I can draw a sample of ledger account, general ledger for you. So for ledger, it appears in this format. So we call general ledger as T account. So on the middle, we will write the account name. For example, we can write motor vehicles account. On the left hand side, this is debit, in short DR, and on the right hand side this is credit, short form is CR. So when we say debit on motor vehicles, then we record here debit side on the motor vehicles account. On the other hand, if we say credit on the motor vehicles account, so we will record here. This is general ledger. We back to the textbook. So after you record all the general ledger, you have to do a step called closing. So what is closing of general ledger? A general ledger may contain more than one accounting entry. After the completion of posting your journal entry, closing or balancing general ledger is required to facilitate the preparation of trial balance. the total amount of the debit side shall equals to the total amount of credit side after you have closed the general ledger. So these are some guidelines for you when you do the closing of your general ledger. So for income statement item, IS general ledger, we use the wording of income statement to close or balance the general ledger. However, for statement of financial position general ledger, SOFP, we use the wording of balance carried down. In short, balance CD to close the balance, and then this amount will bring to the next financial year. We use the wording called balance brought down, balance BD. So this I will explain in detail when we prepare the general ledger. So I have indicated a step for you when you do the closing for your general ledger. First, you calculate the total amount of debit and credit in your general ledger. Next, you identify the difference between your debit and credit. Indicate the difference amount in the lowest total side. And lastly, if there is no difference in your debit and credit, you can indicate the sum out amount and then close the account. So we have an exercise 2.3 for the preparation of general ledger, and this one I will discuss with you in the live section. And then after the general ledger, we will try the trial balance, the preparation of trial balance. And this trial balance I will also explain with you in detail when we finish the preparation of general ledger. So that's all for your chapter 2 video, and thanks for watching.